How to stand out and shine even with zero abilities. Have you ever felt like you have nothing special to offer? Like everyone else is more talented, more gifted, more skilled, and you're just average? Let me tell you something powerful. You don't need to have everything to stand out. You just need to use what you already have. Because sometimes, your willingness to show up shines brighter than someone else's talent that is never used. Well, let's look at the story. There was once a young boy named Daniel. He wasn't the smartest in class. He couldn't sing, couldn't play football, and he didn't have the confidence others had. Everywhere he looked, people seemed to have something special except him. One day, his teacher announced a school project to make something creative that could help others. Everyone got excited. Some drew brilliant designs, others built cool gadgets. But Daniel, he had no idea what to do. He almost gave up until he noticed something. While everyone was busy competing, no one was helping each other. Some didn't even know where to start. So Daniel decided to do one simple thing. He went around encouraging others. He helped carry their materials, shared his ideas, and lifted their spirits when they felt stuck. When the presentation day came, the teacher noticed that Daniel hadn't built anything. But she also noticed something else. The entire class was more united, more confident, and more joyful, all because of one boy's attitude. So she said unto him, "Daniel, you may not have built a project, but you built something more valuable, people, and that makes you stand out." Here's the truth. You don't need a platform, talent, or money to shine. Sometimes your light is not in what you can do, but in whom you choose to be. It can be the kindness in the room. You can be the most consistent in your efforts. You can be the one who refuses to give up when everyone else does. People don't remember who are the most talented. They remember who made the biggest impact. And impact doesn't come from ability. It comes from availability. When you make yourself available for growth, for service, for purpose, that's when God begins to use you in the ways you never imagined. Let me challenge you. Listen. There will always be someone faster, stronger, or more gifted than you. But no one can be you. Your uniqueness is your power. Don't hide it trying to be like someone else. Don't let your lack of skill make you feel unworthy. Remember, David didn't wear Saul's armor. He used a sling and a stone. What he already had, and God made it enough. Stop waiting for the perfection before you start shining. God never asked you to be perfect. He asked you to be willing. I want to share you practical ways to stand out even with zero abilities. Here's how to start shining, even when you feel you have nothing. The first one is show up consistently. Most people never shine because they never show up. Consistency beats talent every time. Number 3 is have a positive spirit. People are drawn to light. Be that light in your words, your attitude, and your actions. 3. Let them grow daily. Start small. Read, watch motivational videos, learn new skills. You may start with zero, but you won't stay there. Number 4, serve others. Greatness is born in service. The moment you start lifting others, you start rising too. Number 5 and the last, believe in yourself and in God's plan. Because even when you feel like nothing, God can turn your nothing into something that changes lives. In faith perspective, you should do this. God specializes in using people the world calls ordinary. Moses had a stutter. Gideon was afraid. David was a shepherd. Joseph was a prisoner. Yet all of them stood out, not because they had everything, but because they trusted God with what they had. If you give God your little, He can multiply it into something great. It's not about ability, it's about your availability. So today, stop saying, "I have nothing." You have something. You have your heart, your story, your faith, your will to keep going. The world doesn't need more people to look perfect. It needs people who are real, willing, and brave enough to shine with what they have got. You may start at zero, but if you stay faithful, consistent, and willing, God will raise you from ordinary to extraordinary. Because you were never created to blend in. You were created to stand out and shine. If this message touched you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with somebody who feels like they have nothing to offer. And remember to subscribe to ReignPace, where we help you rise, reign, and reflect God's greatness in your everyday life. Bye for now.